Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you're reading in the title, today I'm gonna attempt to learn a little bit more Kurdish language. You know, I like to do this type of videos because it's like, you know, even though it will take forever for me to learn the language, you know, I have a good memory and I can remember, you know, basic words like greetings. So today we are going to learn a little bit of Kurdish language, and I'm really excited because it's always really nice when you like want to learn another language, and why not? Anyway, so let's go in this video. Also, if you're missing any of my latest Kurdish reactions, click right here and make sure you go ahead and check them at the end of this video, okay? Okay, so hello, you know, hello. We're gonna say merhaba, merhaba, merhaba. I do know that word just because, like, I feel like merhaba is like marhaba. It's like similar to the Arabic word marhaba, merhaba, like similar, but I don't know.
Merhaba.
Merhaba. I know that word. Oh, good morning, because I gotta tell you good morning because I feel like when you watch my videos, it's morning for you. So that's really important word that I should learn. Good morning.
Sabih khair.
Sibi. Okay, hold on. Again, it's just hard. Let me try to like servir. Okay, hold on. Okay.
Sabih khair.
Sevi. I can't get that. Okay, hold on again.
Sabih khair.
Sevi khair. Okay, hold on. Again, I'm gonna get it because I'm gonna get it. I cannot pronounce the X-E-R.
Sabih khair.
Sevi khair. I am so sorry. Listen, by any means I'm making fun of the word or the language. It's just, you know, it's not my language, so like I'm trying to get the sounds. Is there an easy way to say good morning? Because this word right here, I cannot say this. It's like I feel like I'm not used to that sound, so like I cannot say it. Okay? Okay, hold on.
Sabih khair.
Okay, let's just pretend I did say it correctly. Okay, let's continue.
Sabih khair.
Marhaba.
Rosh bash.
Okay, hold on. Didn't she say hello was marhaba? And now I know Rosh bash because I've been telling you guys on my video Rosh bash, but okay, so you can say Rosh bash and marhaba. Hold on, I'm confused. Hello.
Merhaba.
Merhaba. So you can say merhaba and you can say Rosh bash. Okay, I think there's two ways to say singular, plural. So maybe this is for more than one word, more than one person. So Rosh bash is for more than one. Okay, you will let me know. So marhaba and Rosh bash. I know Rosh bash because I say Rosh bash. Sevi khair. Oh, good morning. Sevi khair. Okay, continue.
Rosh bash.
Rosh bash. I know that's easy. Good evening.
Evar bash.
Oh, that one is easy. Evar bash.
Evar bash.
Evar bash. That's easy. Good night.
Shev bash.
Shev bash. Shebash, everybody. Shebash.
Shebash.
Shebash. Okay, that's easy. But the good morning one, servir he. It's like I can't. Servir he. Servir he. it will take me a long time to know how to say good morning, okay? Bye. Okay, I need to know how to say bye because like I just say bye.
به خاطرته.
What? Okay, hold on, girl. What's she saying?
به خاطرته.
Bu 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 hagati bu hatirete bu hatirete. Okay, hold on. Let me see.
به خاطرته.
Bu hatirete. I feel like that is so wrong, but in so many levels. Like, hold on, girl.
به خاطرته.
Buha tretre, buha saretre, buha sahi,
به خاطرته.
I feel like when you have the X in the word, I can't pronounce it. Buha, 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 buha. Okay, hold on, no. Okay.
به خاطرته.
Buha tretre. No, I feel like, okay, why is it too long? Okay, what, is there an easy way to say bye? Because what is going on? Is there a simple way to say bye? Because this is too long. Buhatrete, buhatrete, like that. Can you just say bye? Can you understand bye? Because buhatrete, buha is just too like it's too long for me. Buhatrete, buhatrete. Oh.
به خاطرته.
Buhatrete. Okay, girl, we're moving on. Okay.
به خاطره.
This is even worse. Bye was buhatrete, and now you're telling me goodbye is buhatrewi? Oh no, I can't pronounce this too. It's too strong. What do?
به خاطره.
Buhatreve. I feel like this one is more simple. Buhatreve.
به خاطره.
Buhatreve. I think this one is better than the other one.
مرحبا.
Merhaba. Okay. Good morning. Sibe her.
بخیر.
Yeah. Roshbash.
روش باش.
Good evening.
اب.
Evarbash.
ور باش. شب باش.
Shebash. Bye is buhatretre.
به خاطرته.
Okay. And then goodbye is buhatrewi.
به خاطره.
Oh, bruhatreve. Okay. I guess we learned something. I feel like, you know, it's just like, okay, Roshbash, Marhaba, Marhaba. Those are very simple, but this other one is like, buhatretre.
اره.
Oh yes. So when I say a video, oh my gosh, yes, I can say erebe.
اره.
Oh, just ere. Can I say ere? Because you know, when I make reaction videos, sometimes I go be like, oh my gosh, yes. So instead of saying yes, can I go ere?
نه.
No, nah.
No.
Well, those are simple. Ere and na. Maybe.
بلکی.
Belki. Belki.
بلکی.
Belki. Okay.
تمام.
Temang, everybody.
تمام.
Temang. Thank you. Oh my gosh, yes, this one.
سپاس.
Sipas.
سپاس.
Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna remember Merhaba, Roshbash, Siveher. It's good morning, but if there's an easy way to say that, then it will be more better because I cannot pronounce Siveher. It's kind of like the hair. It's really hard for me. But Evarbash, Sevash, those are easy. And but the bye. Can I just say bye? Because that one is really like too long to say bye. Is there an easy way to say bye? That would be much thankfully. So temang. Anyways, everybody, I'm gonna leave this video here because like I don't want to learn too much because I will forget everything. So I feel like I'm gonna stick with these words and try not repeat it in my videos until I can get it. You know what I'm saying? I love you guys so much. I'm not even gonna say I love you so much because like you guys tell me I say it wrong and it's just like, I'm sorry, I'm trying. But I love you guys so much. Thumbs up this video. If you're missing any of my Kurdish reactions, click on the screen. There are more videos there, and I'll definitely will make more. If you like videos like this, let me know, and I'm here. It's real for you. Love you. I love you. Okay, bye.